What you need to remove the baffles from the 2022 Speed Twin: you need a Torx T130 and an end wrench. I think it's a 1/4 inch. Of course, you got to have the Dremel to cut that little weld right there. I use just this little cutoff wheel to do it. We've already got the bolt out of this side, so I get this other one out, and I popped out the baffles. Till then, now I need to put a little hook on the end of this nail so I can put it inside my slide hammer and hopefully be able to pop those baffles right out. Okay, I hope that stays there. I don't have a tripod, it's just leaning up against my vacuum. But let me see here. Well, it looks like there's a hole pretty close to the front. Okay, I need to put this down. I can't see. There we go. All right. The nail and the slide hammer worked fine for the other side. It popped it right out. So let's see if we can't do it with this one. Okay, this one's proven to be more difficult. Okay, we get a better bite on the other side. Maybe right. Ooh. Maybe this thing. Okay, we'll try this again. Okay, so what does it look like in there? Oh, kind of hard to see. There are some perforations. It's not that easy to get my light right there, but yeah, it's a lot bigger hole in there though, that's for sure. So that all worked out good, and there it is. Alrighty then.